Hello there again, YouTube. Today, I want to talk to you about cleaning your mask because let me tell you, even though we have masks on, you know you're going to put on makeup. So this is the sad truth of our world today, is wearing a mask because of COVID. And so here you have it, a dirty mask. And when you go to take it off at the end of the day, if you go to a workplace and you see this funk inside of your mask, I know for this one in particular, it told me for the directions to clean it, it said cold water and it said to hand wash only, that I could not put this in the washing machine. And I know a lot of people ain't got time for that and they don't hand wash their stuff, but this is going on my face. So I don't want to smell anything that could have possibly went through the washing machine because you can't put this in the dryer. So I'd rather just hand wash it by itself, right? All right, so I am going to show you something that I think might totally work to get this clean. It's makeup, right? So why not use a makeup remover? But not your any old makeup remover, right? So it has to be a specific kind. But I'm gonna show you. I ordered a beauty blender from Sephora recently. And the beauty blenders are 20 bucks by themselves. Like just wrapped up in a little container by itself. But this was a beauty blender plus this cute little case that's waterproof, okay? I got the beauty blender. I got this cute little case. Inside the case is this little rubber mat that I'm assuming you can just set it on to for it to dry. It's got cute little feet on it. Can you see? Okay, so, and the other side of this case is filtration, or so it don't mold. You get it? Okay, so also it came with, not this egg, it came with this bar of soap, especially for the beauty blender. Now, I know what you're thinking. I could just use a regular bar of soap. But does your regular bar of soap take off your makeup? Because I know mine don't. So this is specifically made to clean your beauty blender, which is full of funk, and everything that you put on your face is all over this beauty blender. So if it cleans the beauty blender, wouldn't it clean your face mask that has all of this stuff on it as well? I would assume so. So let's try it out. I've never done this before. This is gonna be my first try ever trying this theory out. So let's see if it really works. I'm gonna tilt the camera. All right. I'm gonna tell you what I used to use to clean my beauty blender. I had this little jar with Dove, listen to me, Dove, with Dawn soap. If it's cleaning the oil off of the little chiclets and off of the little ducklings, it can clean off my beauty blender. But I noticed something. It wasn't taking the makeup stains off of the beauty blender. And I was like, it seems like it's cleaning it to me, but it's not cleaning it thoroughly. So when this little bad boy came in and this thing came in, I was like, let me see how it cleans it. I cleaned my beauty blender and see all these stains that's all over the beauty blender? It came off. My mind was just like, poof, blown. Okay, so let's try it on the face mask. I'm gonna put it on medium temperature water just because I feel like it's gotta have some kind of warmness to get something off, right? And I'm gonna take off this Band-Aid because I cut myself yesterday on a blade of grass. Can you believe it? A blade of grass cut my finger. All I was trying to do was beautify my garden, and I go to pull a weed and it sliced me like a paper cut. I'd never heard of that before my entire life. But anyway, let's get into this. I hope you saw this face mask before, because I hope this really does the job. Now, I'm not going to put a whole bunch of soap on this. That's about it. I'm not going to put no more. Oh, you know what? Maybe it wasn't for the beauty blender. Maybe it was for the soap. Never even thought of that. Look how freaking cute that is. Oh my God. It's a little stand for the soap. My mind is blown. Okay. I've never washed clothes by hand before, so I'm assuming this is the proper way to soap it up. But I'm gonna tell you something right quick. I washed this mask with the Dawn soap the other day, and it did not take off these stains at all. It was literally still stained up, and this soap is taking it all away. That's what I'm saying. I'm a freaking genius. If it takes off the makeup off the beauty blender, why wouldn't it take off the makeup on your mask? FYI, I'm not getting paid to say this. This is the first time I ever tried it. I was just trying to use my brain and see, and it totally worked. There is no more makeup on this mask. Oh my God. This mask is from American Eagle, by the way. That's craziness. There is no more stains on this mask from my makeup. Oh, we got a little corner right there. Maybe we can get it out. It took it out. Oh my God. Okay, so now y'all know that this totally works. If you have a mask that you have trouble getting all of the makeup stains off of your mask, then you know that little soap that comes with the beauty blender, that totally works. Look at this. No more stains. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. That's craziness. So, I'm not really sure what that little soap is made with. I'm sure tons of detergent. But if it's safe to go onto the beauty blender and not mess it up, I would assume it's safe to use on your mask. So there you have it. I hope this helps you, because nobody wants to roll up with a dirty mask anywhere, right? Why not wash it with something that's going to take it all out? It smells clean. I'm a genius. Like and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow. And you got a clean mask now, all because of me.